Two streaming giants, one crucial choice, Hulu or YouTube TV. Which one really delivers? On one side, Hulu, offering live TV bundled with your favorite streaming services. On the other, YouTube TV, packed with over 200 channels for a clean, cable-like experience. Let's skip past the marketing headlines and dive into what truly matters. Each category gets scored. At the end, you'll know exactly which service comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Okay, real quick, here's a mind map of what we're comparing. We're talking pricing, channel selection, sports experience, cloud DVR, user interface, simultaneous streams, and market performance too. Sounds like a lot, but we'll go through it step by step. Let's kick off with pricing. Hulu's got kind of a buffet going on. You get bundle options with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, tons of plans from $9.99 all the way up to $95.99, so there's a choice for everyone. They even toss in a sports add-on for just $9.99 a month. But, and it's a big but, if you want the live TV part, that starts at $82.99 a month. Also, the ad-supported version, yeah, you're going to notice some limitations. Now, switching to YouTube TV, honestly, they do promotions all the time. You could snag the first 3 months for $72.99 before it jumps to $82.99. Spanish plan, only $34.99 a month, but not as many pricing tiers as Hulu, and if you want that sweet 4K stream, there's a little extra charge on top. So, in terms of pricing flexibility, both feel about balanced. And for this one, it's a tie. All right. Let's dive into channel selection. Hulu offers about 95 plus channels, and the bundle gives you regular streaming with some live TV. You can expand a bit with add-ons, but when we zoom in, there are fewer live channels than YouTube TV and kind of limited sports channel options if that's your thing. But then, YouTube TV pulls out the big guns. There are over 209 channels in the base plan. Just the basic setup alone nets you 136 channels, and if you're into Spanish TV, there are 32 channels waiting. Sports fans? There are tons of niche networks you probably didn't even know existed. Only catch, you won't get a streaming bundle like Hulu, and for even more premium stuff, you'll need to grab some add-ons. But the sheer channel count? It's wild. Easy win for YouTube TV here. Moving on to sports experience, and Hulu tries, really does. There's a sports add-on with 6 extra sports channels, NFL Red Zone is tucked in there, and the basics are covered. But honestly, the interface isn't very sports-obsessed. There's no multi-view magic where you watch multiple games at once, and it just feels less special if you're really into sports. YouTube TV, though, this is where they flex. You've got multi-view, so 4 games at once if you want. There's a key plays feature for highlights. Like, seriously, you never miss a moment. Sports Plus add-on gives 14 channels, and you get stats, scores, data overlays, the works. Oh, an NFL Sunday Ticket is integrated. Only downside? Sports Plus costs a little extra, $10.99 per month. But for sports fans, this is gold. YouTube TV crushes it. You know who wins. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know YouTube TV grabbed a monster 11.1% of all TV watch time in December 2024? That's right, it was literally the streaming leader for that month. Like, seriously, everyone was tuning in. Up next, Cloud DVR. For this, both Hulu and YouTube TV just nail it. Unlimited cloud DVR storage for every subscriber. You can record, binge, forget about running out of space, but recordings do expire after 9 months for both. Hulu's option is honestly one of the best available, but YouTube TV's interface is a little smoother, with faster rewind and fast forward, and just an easier way to get to what you want. So, unlimited storage? Both are killing it. This round, call it a tie. User interface and experience. This actually makes a difference day to day. Hulu's interface has gotten better over the years and offers reliable HD streaming. Plus, you can jump right into Disney Plus or ESPN Plus content if you're bundled. But, and it's a real pain, it's cluttered. Opening the TV guide means extra clicking around. Plus, it's hard to tell if something's on demand or DVR'd. And sometimes, buffering creeps in right when it shouldn't. YouTube TV has it on lock. It honestly feels like cable TV, but way cleaner, way quicker. Everything is smooth and intuitive. Recommendations are actually useful on the home screen, and fast forwarding, seamless. If you want that no-fuss TV vibe, this is it. One thing missing is a streaming bundle, but wow, the interface makes up for it big time. Winner? YouTube TV. Hands down. Next, simultaneous streams. Hulu lets you have 2 streams working at the same time out of the box, and you can upgrade to unlimited screens, but yeah, it costs more. Not terrible, but a bit restrictive. YouTube TV gives you 3 streams straight up. No need to pay extra right away. Perfect for families or roommates. It's not unlimited, sure, but for most people, sharing is no problem. So a little more flexibility right from the start. Winner here? That's YouTube TV.
Market performance. Now we're talking numbers.
Hulu's sitting at 4.6 million subscribers, which isn't bad, and the bundled streaming is hype. But they actually lost around 100,000 subs in Q1 2024. Oof. TV timeshare in December 2024? Just 2.5%. There's been a bit of a decline all year. And then there's YouTube TV. 8 million subscribers. That's straight up double. TV share for December 2024? 11.1%. And growth just keeps climbing. For streaming TV, they're industry leaders, and it's not even close. YouTube TV, obviously the winner here. So if you look at the radar chart, you can totally see YouTube TV dominating in almost every category except pricing and DVR, which are practically neck and neck. Wherever sports and channel selection matter, YouTube TV just runs away with it. All right, bottom line, if you care about sports, channels, or just want that clean, cable-like experience, YouTube TV is honestly where you want to land. But if you're all about getting those bundled goodies like Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, or you love picking your pricing options, Hulu plus Live TV is genuinely a smart deal. It all comes down to what you value most. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to share it. And stay tuned so you don't miss any future updates on streaming.